Hey, Gary Baker here at 30minutemarketing.net. Today's quick video, we're going to be doing a Groovefunnels review. We're also going to be looking at the Groovepages LifeTime deal, and we're going to talk about the big update that just came out inside of the Facebook group. And if you're not a member, I'm going to show you exactly where you can get access to that Facebook group. Now, if you've been watching the channel, you know that I made a video. I'll leave a card up here in the right-hand corner, and you'll be able to see that where I updated exactly what's going on July 10th. Today is July 11th, 2020. The big update was released after I released that video. So I want to show you what's going on, and all that information is in the Facebook group. So when you log into your Groovefunnels account, of course, if you don't have one yet, there's a link here. You can grab your free Groovefunnels account. You get 3 free sites inside of Groovepages, as well as Groovesell and Groove Affiliate. You'll be able to see right here when you log into your Groovefunnels account, all you need to do is scroll down here. You'll go through what's in the upgrade, the affiliate program, more information about GroovePay, Groove Ads, Groove Academy, as well as where to find the tutorials. Also the video search engine where you can search text-based search on all the videos that have been released on Groove, so you can find out what's going on right there. Have the webinar trainings going on, and here is where you find the Facebook group. Simply come here and click Take Me There. That'll take you to the Groove Digital official group, and once you get there, you can join that group, and then you can see exactly the information I'm going to show you. If you're not already there, if you are, then you can follow along. So take me there. It's going to take you over to the Facebook group. We'll go ahead and click that now and pop over to the Facebook group. So here we are, GrooveDigital.com, empowering digital marketers with world-class software and services. This is the official group, and as you can see, 16 hours ago, of course, this video is being made July 11th, 2020. You can see right there, Friday, July 10th at 2020 at 2:14 p.m. This information was released again after I'd made the video. Of course, that link is in the card and link in the description to that video where you can see what I was talking about. You can see here, they've just hired 18 new developers and opened an offshore development center. Okay, that's on top of the 30 team members they already have. They also hired 3 additional template designers, and I'm going to talk about and show you some of those templates here in a few minutes. What to expect? Okay, they just had a 2-hour call. Okay, they're creating an infographic with a timeline. What I want to get into is the major rollouts. So starting in 10 days, again, this is July 11th. This was posted on July 10th. So in 10 days, that'll be July 20th, which was what I was saying in the other video that I made about what's coming and why you should be taking a serious look at the current LifeTime deal. Over the next 30 days, starting on July 20th, Groove Video, Groove Member, Groove Mail are all going to start rolling out. So you're going to see lots of support articles and videos that are going to have to be made. As you can see, Mike talked about the stuff that needs to be made. Of course, you're going to see here Groovepages. You're going to see updates went out. They improved things. They fixed things. For example, this was improved. The font drop-down shows the actual previews of the font type now versus just the same font for everything, which didn't give you an indication of what it was you were changing or what was going to happen when you made the change. Now you can actually see the preview of the font. Very simple but important changes. Things that they're paying attention to, detail that seems minor but really needs to be in there in a world-class page builder. So they are getting those things improved and changed. You can see here over the next 60 days, you're going to see the following be released on a bi-weekly basis. Import any URL in the world to the editor. Share pages, sites, and funnels. Funnels management. Website, block, funnel, pop-up templates. On-canvas, row column drag handles for easy layout and editing. Easier centering of images and buttons. Of course, if you've been inside of the tool, if you've been inside Groovepages and played with it, you know that this is a pain point for many people, myself included. Sometimes you have to hunt around way too much to figure out where to center certain types of objects, images, buttons, text. So get inside the tool. The point here is you need to be getting inside of Groovepages. You need to be looking at Groovesell, looking at what's coming up soon, getting in there, showing people what it can do, what it does for your business, what it's going to be able to do for them. Figure it out. Also participate in the Facebook group and over at feedback.groovepages.com or feedback.groovefunnels.com. The link is here. I'll show you that in a second, where you can actually go in, file bug reports, provide feature requests, really get involved in the community and allow this tool to be what it has the potential, and that's what I always talk about here on the channel, the potential of this tool set to be able to be the marketing solution for you and your business. So again, you can see here lots of options there. Groove sale coming up over the next 60 days. Lots of things that really need to happen to make this the equivalent of something like a Thrive cart. Then move into what I would categorize as the next step would be the Sam cart, and then even the next step up above that would be the Pay Kickstart, which in my opinion, and I've made videos on here on the channel about the carts, compared Thrive cart and compared Pay Kickstart. Pay Kickstart is the Cadillac of carts, but you do have to pay the Cadillac prices. And Groove Sale will be there, and you will have to pay the monthly Cadillac price if you don't get the one-time option. Because look, here's the deal. What we're looking at here right now is the chance to get on the ground floor. I came in May 2019. This is July 2020. The lifetime option, the lifetime deal is still available. And we're going to take a look at that right here towards the end of the video. I just want to make sure I went through this for some folks that don't use Facebook or haven't got inside the Facebook group yet, so you know where this information is. So you can see some integrations that'll be rolling out and should be completed by October 31st. Zapier just went live yesterday. Again, that was July 10th, 2020. Active Campaign, MailChimp, Aweber, Webform, GetResponse, Webinar Jam, EverWebinar, third-party solutions, you got right there, Funnelytics, Usign, third-party email, ConvertKit, you can see MailerLite, third-party memberships, Kajabi, Wishlist. You can go through this list again when you join the Facebook group. You're going to see all this. The future products with the 18 new developers that they've hired going to be releasing in December or possibly sooner, again in beta, just like Groovepages and Groovesale is right now. Overall, Groovefunnels is all in beta. So we're looking at Grooveblog, Groovedesk, Groovesurvey, Groovecalendar, Groovewebinar Live, Automated, Live Stream. So that's sort of like what you see right now in the capabilities of live stream technology, to be able to live stream to Facebook and or YouTube. And then you can see here they're also working on the SDK, which is the Software Developers Kit. That's going to be opened up later this year. So right there, yes, feedback.groovefunnels.com. Again, right there you can see that, feedback.groovefunnels.com. That's where you can put in your feature requests. You can also put in bugs. We'll go ahead and take a quick look at that. So this is feedback.groovefunnels.com. You can see right here it provides Groovepages bugs, Groovesale bugs, Groovepages features, tutorials and trainings, Groovemember, Groovevideo, Groovesale, everything that you want to find right here. Typically, like if you have an issue with the Groovepages page builder, for example, and something's not working and you're trying to create an element or you're trying to create a page and you're dragging and dropping and that element doesn't do what you want it to do or what it's supposed to be doing, typically you can come in here, go to Groovepages, and you can just type down exactly what element you're working on. For example, if you're working with Aweber, you just type in Aweber in the search, and you can see right here that these bugs are already in there. They're being upvoted, which is very important to come in here and give these an upvote if you do see the bug that you're working on, and if you don't, go ahead and submit that bug so the team can start working on it. So that was the updates. The next thing I want to show you is the templates. This was posted yesterday as well. And of course, yesterday, when I say yesterday, that's July 10th, 2020. Today is July 11th, 2020. Templates. What is coming, who's on board, what they're doing, all right here. Again, inside the Facebook group, I showed you earlier how to join this, the Groove Digital official Facebook group. Be sure to join this. You'll be able to get in here and see this information. You can see here award-winning funnel and conversion designers from ClickFunnels. A lot of the ClickFunnels designs that people use right now came from these folks. Also, some more people that come in to do local business templates for things like dentists and real estates, nail salons, stuff like that for local businesses. Also, explaining how the templates are built and then the blocks are pulled out of those templates to allow you to mix and match and build your own. But exactly what's happening with those, and you can see right here there are some examples. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at these examples. Then we'll hop over and we'll talk about that lifetime deal real quick. But I wanted to make sure that you saw these templates if you didn't have a chance yet in the Facebook group. So here's an example of the first template. You can see it's very nice, it's very clean, laid out very well. Here's another one, another example of the type of stuff they're doing. Again, these are real clean, and these are going to be fully editable, of course, in the page builder once you go pro. Here's another one right here. It's getting a little harder to see because obviously these pages, as they get longer and more in detail, but you can see here, I mean, this is very modern, very clean. Here's another one with different types of colors. Again, modern and clean. They got some purchase options down here, sort of a payment option, 3 payment options down there towards the bottom. And then here's another one, sort of more of a local thing. This is aimed at dentistry. Of course, if you go to the Facebook group and look at this, you can make this a lot bigger and really drill in. But this is sort of the idea of how you would build a local page. Again, this is a template for dentistry. So again, that information is all inside of groovedigital.com, the official Groove Digital Facebook group inside of facebook.com. Check that out. Again, when you log into your Groovefunnels account, and if you don't have one yet, you can get your free account, the link in the description. You'll see the first welcome page. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom here, look for the Facebook logo, the Facebook group, click Take Me There. You'll be able to join, you'll be able to get right in, and you'll be able to find out that information and get all the other updates, as well as I will continue to keep making these types of updates to let you know what's going on and what's happening inside of Groovefunnels, Groovepages, and as they release all the new apps. I'll be taking a look inside of those, exactly how they work, showing you how I'm using them, and all that great detail right there. But now before we go, let's take a real quick look at what is available to you if you upgrade to Pro right now. Again, July 11th, 2020. Once you get inside your free account, you just click this upgrade button. That's going to take you here to this page with the limited time lifetime offer. Currently they're calling the Platinum Lifetime Access option. You're just going to scroll down, you're going to look and see everything that's going to be in the base, silver, and gold plans when this comes out of beta and this lifetime options ends. This will be a monthly pay, and you can see right here that's going to be $99 and $199 a month. But if you scroll down here again, you can see all the stuff that's inside of Groovefunnels, everything you're going to get for the lifetime access, all the products we just talked about, Groove Blog, Groove Mail, Groove Video, talks about email leads, the ability to track cart abandons, even inside of Groove Cart, because you're going to get access to Groove Cart as well. Also inside the affiliate program, you go from 20% in your free account to 40% in your Pro account. And you keep going down here and you're going to see exactly what the payment options are currently. And again, coming July 20th, part of the big announcement and the rollout is going to be that this is going to go up. Currently, you got 3 easy monthly payments of $497, 6 payments of $288, 12 payments of $188, or you can go all in for $1397 one payment. Listen, what we're talking about here, what I'm talking about here on the channel, what I'm talking about inside of Groovefunnels, I backed it in May 2019 when it was Groovepages 2.0, before Groovefunnels existed. I believe it has the potential, and I use that word potential because no one knows where it's going to go. We can see the progress that has been made so far, and I can tell you that changes are being made. Is there any guarantee that this is going to be the tool that we all hope it is? Of course, there's no guarantee, but you're coming in as a backer and you're getting a chance to come in as a lifetime option. And if that makes sense for you and your business to make this investment, then this is the time to do it. If not, then wait, and you're going to see if the tool makes it, and then you'll be in a monthly option. Of course, if you're happy with your current tool set, then there's no reason to worry about it. But again, we're talking about the potential here, the potential of Groovefunnels to be that one place that you go, the one set of tools with that coherent set of integrated tools where it all works together in the background. All the tags, integrations all work seamlessly. Even though they have access to Zapier, you won't need it because you'll be able to actually utilize all the tools and just drag and drop and click, and they'll all be connected on the back end, giving you all the information, showing you exactly what's happening. As people come into your funnel and move through your funnel, you'll be able to track their actions or their non-actions, and then be able to create an action based on those actions or that lack of action, and create things like automated email follow-ups and all that good stuff inside of all the tools inside of Groovefunnels. So again, that's the potential I'm talking about. That's why I backed it. That's why I'm making this video. That's why I'm telling you again, link in the description for your free account. And then you can come here, you can see all the options to upgrade to lifetime currently as of today, July 11th, 2020. So if you're watching this video anytime after that, this option may not be available. So leave me a comment right here and on this video in the comment section what you think of the potential of Groovefunnels and all the tools. Or if you have any questions that I haven't answered, I would love to answer those for you. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel. Check out the awesome videos here on the end screen for more content, just like you saw here in this video. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.